Hello guys, I'm Tanul Sharma. In this video, I'll explain you what is the internet, what does internet works in real life, what is the benefit of internet. By the ending of this video, you will be clearly understand what is the internet, how does the internet works in real life in step by step in very simple way. So let's move to my screen. What is the internet? The internet is a global network that connect millions of computer server, mobile phones and smart devices worldwide. It allows devices to share information and communication with each other using standard protocols. Protocols are called TCP/IP, OSI layer, HTTPS, DNS. So, internet are discovered by US Department of Defense. Our project name is ARPANET, used for secure communication during the war. One more thing are noted. 1 January 1983, TCP/IP officially adopted. This is the birth of the internet. So, it's a basic of internet. It is a not by owned by single organization. It works 24/7 across the world because internet works everywhere in the world. It connects a billions of devices. The ARPANET, called Advanced Research Project Agency Network, are designed it first wide area packet switching network are implemented with the help of TCP/IP protocol. In simple word, internet networks connected to networks worldwide. Why was the internet are created? The internet was originally created to ensure reliable communication during the military conflict and developed by US Department of Defense in 1969. Allow for research institution to share data, prevent communication failure if one network or goes down, so another network is like share my information. This is a lead to design of packet switch network. My core component of network are end devices, computer, mobile phones, server, IoT devices, smart TV, CCTV, sensor. Each device has IP address, logically IP address assigned by the help of TCP/IP model. Network infrastructure, there are some component and roles, router, forward data packet between network switch, connected local area network devices by end user devices. Firewall provide the security controls and other my media transmission like physical media transmission, fiber cables, ethernet cables. And internet service provider, IP ISP provide internet access. A local ISPs, national ISPs, global backbone providers. For example, Airtel, Jio, BSNL, AT&T, Verizon. How does the internet works? There are some technical flow working in the backend. I'll explain you step by step. Firstly, user request. You type www.google.com, then DNS resolution. DNS translate the domain name into the IP address. For example, 93.184.216.34 DNS server involved in this process, like local DNS, root DNS, TLT DNS. We more learn about DNS in my next videos. So step 3, packet creation. Data is split into a small packet, each containing a source IP, destination IP, packet sequencing number. Routing using for router using a routing protocol like BGP, OSPF, EIGRP, RIP. They choosing the best path for dynamically. Transparent protocols used for TCP/IP, UDP. TCP/IP used for the reliable data delivery, web emails. UDP are faster. It used for gaming and streaming, live streaming. Servers. The server send data packet back. Your web browser reassemble then page load. So we have some internet stacks, OSI, TCP/IP model used in internet. Application layer, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP. transport layer TCP/IP UDP, internet protocol layer IP ICMP for using internet access, Ethernet, Wi-Fi. There are many types of internet working in real world scenario. Firstly, public internet open for everyone. Everyone uses a public internet to communicate one to another. Uses private IP in enterprise network like personal company network. It's working on the our private network in like locally. Extranet used for the control access for partners, used for the portals like business portals, company portals, use company employees. There is some mobile internet. It's working on the spectrum 4G, 5G, LTE. Satellite internet are used for the remote areas like Starlink are provided satellite internet through the like connected with the satellite. There are some dedicated and lease lines used for business in enterprise and some like companies. So move to my second screen. How does the internet works in step by step? There are some technologies and purpose. I have mentioned some flows, how the DNS and DNS convert domain name to IP address and resolve resolution. And one more thing, DNS work as a internet phone book. There are many domain name are situated in DNS phone book. Like move to my technologies and purpose. IP used for device addressing, TCP used for reliable data delivery, and UDP are used for faster and less reliable delivery. HTTP, HTTPS, DNS are used for name to IP mapping. It converts to domain name into IP address. Router used for best path selection through the routing protocols, and switch are working in my local area network for connecting our local end user devices. So there are some things are working in backend. So I'll explain everything. So key internet services are for using a web browsing, HTTP, HTTPS. For email, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, POP3, IAMP. For file transferring, File Transfer Protocol, Simple File Transfer Protocol. For voice calls, VoIP are used, and using a cloud network, HTTPS, APIs. In this things, internet security is very important. So major mechanisms are working for encryption, provide the encryptions in connected with internet. HTTPS are connected encryptions, TLS. Firewall also provide the security. It's used for security purpose to encrypt our data. Someone sending like someone browsing the internet, so some malicious traffic not come to our local area network. That's why we use a firewall. VPN are used for virtual private network. We connect site to site with the help of DNS. So IDS and IPS, we learn more about the security in next days. Will regularly update you through my videos. So authentication and authorization are more important, and there are some common threats using a internet like phishing, malware, DDoS, man in middle attack. So this is the internet, how internet works. I'll explain you in very simple way. So guys, I hope this video made things simple and clear for you. If you still have question, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. This is Tanul Sharma. See you soon in next video.